Some people getting trapped.
There's fire on both sides of the road.
Many abandoning their cars in the gridlocked traffic. Fire crews using a bulldozer to push cars out of the way to clear a path. We are in bumper-to-bumper traffic right now as hundreds of people try to get out. You can see flames here on both sides of the road with very little visibility.
Evacuation orders are in place for approximately 30,000 residents. Households threatened, it's approximately 10,367.
This is something you hardly ever see. We are in the heart of LA on Sunset Boulevard, where there was a brush fire that shut down the road here.